Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel AVG Antivirus subscription, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your AVG Antivirus subscription, start by opening your web browser. Next, go to the AVG website. Log into your AVG account using the email address and password associated with your subscription. Once logged in, navigate to the My Subscriptions section. Here, you will see a list of your active subscriptions. Locate the AVG Antivirus subscription you wish to cancel. Click on the Manage Subscription option next to it. You will be directed to the subscription management page. Look for the Cancel Subscription option on this page. Click on Cancel Subscription to proceed. A confirmation window will appear, prompting you to confirm your cancellation. Read the cancellation policy, then confirm that you wish to continue. Your subscription will be processed for cancellation. After cancellation, you will receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox for this confirmation. In that case, open the App Store on your device. Navigate to your Subscriptions or Purchases section. Find AVG Antivirus in the list and select it. Follow the prompts to cancel your subscription from that platform. After completing these steps, your AVG Antivirus subscription will be cancelled. You can continue using the service until the end of your billing cycle. Ensure you consider any refund policies before finalizing your cancellation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.